Hey y'all, so I just came out of Dollar Tree and now I'm kicking myself because I'm like, why didn't I record? There was so many new things, but yeah, and I really should have done it. But let me show y'all some of the stuff that I did get that I have mostly not seen before. So there's this maze labyrinth. So I thought that was cute. And then I got some of these sun catchers. I thought I would do some of these with my daughter. They have these. They have had these before, but you know, of course, they always change the design. And then they've also had these too, these cross stitch. So I got this one in the unicorn, and then this one in the cupcake. And then the last few things I got are these squishy pals. So y'all don't mind my nails. I gotta soak the rest of them off. I think I got. Did I only grab two? There's supposed to be one more. Oh, here it is. And then I got these fidget bracelets. And then I have this, they call it a bubble popper, but y'all know. Another fidget toy. And then I got this splatum minions. And I'll show y'all that so y'all can see. Yeah. And I just got some Dawn as well. But I wanted to show y'all those things because, like I said, these fidget, like my daughter, she got a set of fidgets in a pack on Amazon, and they had some of these in here. But it's cool that they have these in the store for $1, as well as some of these other fidget toys. So I just wanted to show y'all so y'all can check that out at y'all stores. I will have to go back in Dollar Tree soon to show y'all more of the Valentine's Day and garden stuff and other toys and things. But oh, and by the way, I did ask a couple of stores, and it looks like on the 17th that is when our stores will change to $1.25. So I'm glad that it's been holding out as long as we have. I'm kind of going to be sad when the prices change, but you know, it is what it is. Inflation is everywhere. So yeah, that is all that I have for this haul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And as always, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.